Today, we will be working on counting in English. Some of the words that we will be working with today are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and millions. These words will help us make much larger numbers. So now let's look at our place value chart. You already know about numbers like 1 and 10 and 100. After the hundreds is the 1,000s place. Now after the 1,000s place is the 10,000s place. That means that we have a 10 in our thousands place and then our 3 zeros. After our 10,000s, we get to 100,000. Now that we've gotten past 100,000, the next would be 1 million. And the next place value would be 10 million. And then we get to 100 million. Now our numbers can keep going, but these are the words that we are going to focus on for today. So now let's practice saying our place values. Repeat after me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, hundred millions. Great job. Let's keep practicing saying our place values by saying them one more time. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Very good. Thanks for watching.